Okay.
All right, we're going to ask this random guy if there's prostitutes. I hope I don't look bad.
Do you want to say it?
You gotta say it. I'll say it with you. I'll be like, excuse me, sir.
You gotta ask that.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where the prostitutes are? The prostitutes. Can you help us find them?
You said the prostitutes. That's what you said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Male prostitutes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Male?
Yeah.
Male.
Yeah.
For you?
Well, for both of us.
Yeah.
For who?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I did know, I would be the first one to say, choose me.
All right.
Okay.
We'll go look around. Thank you, though.
No.
All right.